Me again. All right, it's me again. This time, I wanted to talk to you about our accounting system, right? Now, this system, you'll be able to send your quotations online. You'll be able to generate your invoices online. You'll be able to put your expenses per invoice, and you'll be able to generate statements and other reports to see how much money did you make this month, how much was paid, and so on and so on. Obviously, it has a dashboard. You will see that it's one of the functionality that makes your life so easy as a business person. Right, we have it installed already as a demo. So if you have questions on the URLs and login details for you to play around with it, just ask the ladies. The ladies will help you. All right, and if I'm on the stand, I will also give you the login details for a small fee. I am joking. All right, now this is what the our accounting system looks like. This is our dashboard. Now, just on the dashboard, you're able to see the invoices or the invoice summary, invoices that have been sent, the drafts, those that have been sent, those that have been collected. Essentially, that means all the invoices that have been paid. Here you're able to see your drafts, quotations, those that have been sent. And because this is a demo, obviously some haven't been sent and so on. We're just playing around with it. And here's your approved codes and so on and so on, right? So let's go a bit into the drafts invoices. There you go. Let's click on that and it will show you. So here we are. We've created an invoice for company X. Let's click on it and we'll see the details for it. Now, here you are. You've got the company, which is your company, that is sending the invoice, and this is who you are sending it to, company X. And on this particular invoice, we're doing type hack and glue stick, and the total invoice is, where is my total there? The total invoice for it is 24,000 rands, right? And you are able also to generate the PDF. I'm just going to click on it just so that will open a PDF and you will see what it looks like. While it's generating, let's have a look at other functionalities. You're able to change the exchange rates. On other, you are able to enter payment if it has been paid already, and so on and so on. Now, it looks like it has been downloaded. Voila, this is what your invoice looks like. Again, this is 1,000% customizable depending on what you want. We can put your logo, we can make it look funkier, and so on. We can put the terms and conditions, right? So that's about the invoices. Let's go and look at some of the codes. Okay, let's look at the draft codes. Again, it's a similar principle where you are able to, let's go to this code, right? It's 3,500 rand, and on this we are quoting on a carburetor. Yeah, so we do both papers and carburetors. We are a cool company. All right, right. Essentially, this is your total and some of the, if you wanted to use other exchange rates, you can. If it's got exchange rates, you can change that and so on. All right. Now let's go to client. This is where you obviously will then enter all your client's details. We've looked at company X, company Z. Let's just click on company X and see what company X has. These are the details for company X. It shows you all the codes that we've sent to company X and all the invoices that we've sent. And if they've got a recurring invoice, then it will also be in here. Have they paid? Any attachments? And if there are notes, these are good. These are our class A customers, so we need to take good care of it. These are the type of notes that you will put in there. Right. Now, if we wanted to create a new customer, yeah, we'll click on new, enter all the relevant information, and then Bob's your uncle. Right. Let's now go to codes, like we've spoken about the codes and the invoices already. Now let's go to payments. On payment, you are able to see which invoices have been paid and the method of payment. Yeah, good stuff. Right. If you wanted to have a good monthly bill, you can put all your expenses here, and so that you know what expense went to which invoice, just so that your reports look better. I think your accountant will like you if you do that. Yeah, but also we have all these reports, your client statements on how much has your client been paying. So let's run a report just so that we see. All right. Now we're choosing MAH demo, right? And we're saying we want all the clients, right? Kill. What just happened? All right. So we're saying for this guy, and we want all the clients. Ah, it's looking for client. Okay. So let's go company X. I think we've got company X. Yeah, we do. There you go. Now you're able to see your statement for company X. You see, we haven't done any invoices for company X. Let's look at the expense list. Like I said, if you've got expenses, um, you can also see item sales. Say, for example, if you want to see which items are being sold more than the other, you are able to say, okay, so what what is our what is the item that sells so much? And for this demo, we don't have any items that were sold. Um, Payment collections. Let's just see what we've got there. Or could it be the time? Yeah, you know what the problem is? It's these timings, the ranges. So let's make it the whole year. Okay, so let's go client statement and say um, company X, right? And then say we want this whole year, right? And let's just see how much have we been making. Ah, now you see. We've got invoice 2 because it was done on the 8th month. That's why it wasn't generating at first. Oh, cool. Right, and you've got all these other, your tax summary, you've got revenue by client, so you essentially can have a look at what this app has. Now, 1,000% customizable. If there is anything, any questions, please ask the ladies. We'll give you a link to the URL, and we will then customize it to what you want. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a super duper day.